Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular dishwashers, the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher and a versatile portable countertop dishwasher. We'll explore their features, performance, and design to help you choose the right one for your kitchen needs. Let's dive in. The BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher comes with a price tag of $999, which reflects its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the portable countertop dishwasher is priced at a more budget-friendly $359, making it an attractive option for those looking for a cost-effective solution. While the built-in model may offer more features, the portable option provides significant savings for those with smaller kitchens or limited budgets. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model can accommodate up to 12 place settings, making it ideal for families or those who frequently entertain guests. On the other hand, the portable countertop dishwasher is designed for smaller loads, perfect for individuals or couples. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your dishwashing experience, depending on your household size and needs. The BLACK+DECKER dishwasher boasts 6 wash programs, including options for heavy-duty cleaning and energy efficiency, making it a versatile choice for various dishwashing needs. In contrast, the portable countertop dishwasher offers 4 cleaning modes and a drying and disinfection mode, which, while functional, may not provide the same level of customization as the built-in model. This feature comparison highlights the advanced capabilities of the BLACK+DECKER unit, catering to users looking for more control over their dishwashing. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher and the portable countertop dishwasher have their unique advantages. The built-in model offers greater capacity and advanced features, making it suitable for larger households, while the portable option provides a more affordable and space-saving solution for smaller kitchens. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.